What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix this simple error when you're trying to build your buggy in Dune Awakening and you're trying to place a Cutteray on it. If you see must be attached to a buggy rear utility hull, then what exactly is wrong? Well, if I have a look at this buggy here, you can see I've got a backside on it. There is a hull here. So manage, you can see we've currently got the buggy storage and a buggy hull. What's wrong here is that I've used a regular schmegular buggy hull, which gives me 2 extra seats for friends. What we need to do instead is make sure that we craft a buggy utility rear instead of a buggy rear over here. That's the only difference. So what we need to do then is use our welding torch Mark III, right click to change to detach, and we'll be separating the backside of it. So here we go. We'll take off the storage. Then we'll take off the buggy rear, which you'll see will remove the back 2 seats here. Then we'll switch back to assemble, and instead we'll place the utility rear on here, which gets rid of those 2 back seats, but we now also have the Cutteray attachment that can place on the top, and of course we can use the storage at the back as usual. That's it. Now you've got a fully functional Cutteray on your vehicle. I just need a PSU and I'm done constructing this. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.